today to be teaching a lady style segment for Bkiz, and you can find me on Facebook as McKiztosh Dance and also on Instagram as Christina _official. And today I'm going to be teaching a segment on balance. It's a fundamental move that we do in Kizomba. Balance is also sometimes called the rocking movement. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're going to start on our right leg, which we normally do as a follower, but which we mostly do as a follower on the right leg. And we're going to be stepping forward. One, so we step forward on one and we sit into that right hip. One, you take the weight back onto our left for two and sit down into that left hip now. We'll take the right leg back. Three, sit into that hip there. Taking back, hips go back. Three. 1, 2, 3. So we sit down that hip on 3 and we take the weight forward back onto our left on 4. Yeah? So from the side as well, stepping into the ground with the right foot. Toe first, step, heel, step, and then transfer the weight fully so that you're also now flat-footed on your heel and toe is balanced, the weight is balanced over that right foot. We step 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to repeat that movement for the count of 8. Stepping again, right foot forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? And we want to remember that we want to keep our torso straight. The movement is coming from the hips down. Yeah? So we want torso straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So not to bend and lean forward and lean back. We don't want to lean forward and lean back as we do it. Yeah? And I'll show you from the front as well so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? That is our full balance starting on our right leg. We can also start back on the right leg, so you can always start back instead of starting forward. And you also can do your balance on the left leg here. Back. Same thing. Transferring the weight from right to left, yeah, and sitting into that hip. Yeah? Also, the next bit I'm going to show you is a balance again, but we're just going to use the front half. So, I'm going to do the front half of the balance as I mean, we're going to step here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So it's putting the weight down to the right, going right to left, right to left, but you don't want to step backwards. And then just the first half of the balance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? We can also do our balance just the back half. So we're stepping back with the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next movement I want to show you is what happens in the dance. Sometimes the lead will take you out to the side and then block you, and then you're going to do your balance there. So we're going to practice that now as a solo. So we're going to step out to the side with our right, slow. 1, 2. Yeah, so on 1 you step on the right, on 2 you make sure your weight is fully on the right. You're going to take the left foot now and you're going to do your balance here. 3, 4. Yeah, so it'll be a front half balance 3, 4. 3, 4. Here we do, step out again slowly. 1, 2, balance 3, 4. We're going to take the left leg out and we're going to step out to the side here. And we're going to balance with the right foot here, there, there. So the whole thing, it will be step out to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, step, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So here we're balancing first on the left, balancing on the left leg first, and then on the right. Yes? I'll show you from the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The final segment I want to show you, another thing that happens in the dance, the lead will take you out, you'll be walking, he's going to give you another block, and he's going to wait for you to transfer your weight so that you can start walking back again. So we're We're going to walk with our right foot first, going out. 1, 2. We're going to then balance with our right leg, but now facing the right on a horizontal. Balance. 3, 4. You're going to walk back with the right leg. 5. You're going to come back. 6 to face the front with the left leg, and you're going to do a slow close. 7, 8. Yes, that's 7, 8. You want to step into the ground with the right foot here. Hips are going back and then into neutral position. So as I close, I step into the ground, hips go back and then to neutral position. 7, 8. One more time slowly. We're going to step out with the right foot first. We're going 1, 2, balance. 3, 4. So make sure you sit into that hip here. Flow. You want that balance to be flowy. The trick to getting it flowy is to bend the knees. Yeah? One more time. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back. 5. Step back. 6. Close. 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll show you from the front. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? So what we're going to do now is we're going to put all those pieces together in a little routine so we can practice it, and then we'll practice it with music as well. So from the top, we're going to do balance, starting with our right leg forward for 8 counts. Yeah? Full balance. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Then we're going to do our half balance for forward and the front half. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do 4 counts. The back balance 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So from the top to there, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stepping forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. So from there, your weight should be on your left leg. You're going to step out to the side with the right, slowly. 1, 2. That's 2 counts to make sure you're fully on your right leg, the weight transferred. Here, then we're going to balance on the diagonal with the left leg. 3, 4. Then we're going to step out, left. 5, 6. So that's slow. 5, 6. Make sure your weight is fully on the left leg. Balance on the diagonal with the right leg. 7, 8. We're going to do that combo twice. Yeah, so we balance and we're going to do the combo twice. Do it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? From the top to there. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Front half and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. From the front. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stepping out. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last move to add to the combo. We step out. 1, 2, balance. 3, 4, come back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do that twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's put it all together and then we can practice with the music. One more time without the music all together. After 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, by the say 3, 4, 5, 6, close here. Yes? So let's practice with the music. I've been Christina Mcintosh from McKiztosh Dance. Find me on Facebook at McKiztosh Dance, on Instagram as Christina Mcintosh_official. And let's practice. After 8, 5, 6, here we go.